Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro videos and 164 tune cars. So anyway guys, I have another Choro and it's a custom made. Uh, I did this because Choro did not release a van from Super Mario Brothers guys. So I made one because I have a what do you call this? Uh, three quick delivery van that has the same colors. So uh, I customized the one of the three to make it look a Super Mario Brothers van, service van guys, plumbing van. So anyway, let's check it out guys. So as you can see, this one before it's a color gray. So I custom made it into a yellow car. I repainted it and what they call this, you see the decals guys, and in the front all these one guys are only paper decal from my copier, desktop copier guys. So it's a paper sticker, and then I put a masking tape on the front to be look glossy guys. Then as you can see guys, it's not a American van or Chevy like the one on the movie of Super Mario Brothers guys. This is a Toyota quick delivery van guys, customized into Super Mario Brothers plumbing van. So as you can see guys, it's all yellow, and at the coin slot at the rear guys, you can see it's a Toyota quick delivery van number 55. And I put some details guys like the headlights, no sorry, tail lights guys, the stop light, the signal light, and the reverse light guys, as you can see. Okay, and then I swapped the wheels guys into a black one because the quick delivery van guys is it has a 5 spokes chrome wheels guys. So I swap it in my other Choro into a black one guys. And then guys, both sides has a paper decal. It says Mario Brothers Plumbing. Then at the front guys, Mario and Luigi. And the headlight guys and the grill are all original color in black. And then as you can see, the bumper guys, I already paint it into a black one. So just the same as the Choro, just the same as the Super Mario Brothers plumbing van, service plumbing van guys. So I put some details like this blackout window glass, and at the other side it's just the same. And then the door handle guys, I already painted it into a black one to look more visible guys. And then at the back it has a I already painted it the hinges guys of the doors. And I forgot the rear glass guys. Supposed to be it has a two black decal guys, just like this one, but I forgot it guys. So another in my collection, guys, of custom Choro guys. Even though it's not a original, but I still like it, guys. It's look orig, guys. Even though it's not a even though Choro did not release this kind of model, guys, but still very cool, guys. Okay, then at the bottom, guys, it says Toyota quick delivery. So this is a still Toyota quick delivery van, guys. Okay, then I already uh, what they call this, uh, I already put some also decal on the top of the roof, guys. Okay, the only decal that I did not pull out, guys, is this one, because when I post this on the group, I want to see, or uh, uh, what they call this, I want to see the reaction of the other members or collectors, guys, that this is a quick delivery van of Toyota. Okay, and I will say it's a custom made Mario Brothers plumbing van. So again, guys, this is a quick it's a Cherokee standard size Toyota quick delivery van converted into a Super Mario Brothers uh, plumbing service van. Okay, it's super cool for me, guys. Please comment on my video, guys. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro videos. Bye.